Are you looking for the best law of attraction book to help you manifest your dreams? I got a suggestion at the end. Actually, I'll just tell you right away. Look up the book, which is the best-selling book in the world, and the answer to that question is actually the best law of attraction book, okay? Do some homework on that. Now, I want to know, if you're tired of being stuck, feeling stuck, you want to attract positive change in your life. The law of attraction has helped many people transform their mindset and their reality, but with so many books out there, it's hard to know where to start. So don't worry, I got some great recommendations for you. Now, first, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is one of the most popular books about the law of attraction, and it explains how positive thinking can bring great things into your life. But obviously, you got to back it up by action. You know what I mean? And God has to be on your side, or else forget about it. Another fantastic book is Ask, and it's given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. This book goes deeper into how to align your thoughts and emotions to attract what you want, okay? And if you want a more practical approach, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle helps you focus on the present moment, which is the key to attracting abundance, okay? The Magic by Rhonda Byrne is another book from her, which dives into gratitude and how it plays a huge role in manifesting your desires. Lastly, You Are a Badass at Making Money, that's the title, by Jen Sincero. It combines a motivation and the law of attraction to help you reach your financial goals. These books all are going to help you tap into the power of the law of attraction and to start attracting the things that you desire. Now, if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. By the way, the answer is the Bible. That's the best law of attraction book because Jesus, who never lies, tells you what it is. See you later.